Setting up your new Reform saddle is simple and easy. Start by unboxing the saddle and AC unit. First, install and level the saddle on your bike. Once it is installed, test the position of the saddle before you begin heating it for best results. Next, heat the saddle by plugging the AC unit in and attach the magnetic cable to the underside of the saddle. Switch the AC unit on and set a timer for approximately 5 minutes. Please refer to the times listed on screen, which are determined by rider weight and saddle type. Once the timer is complete, disconnect the saddle from the AC unit and go ride immediately. Waiting even 30 seconds will cause the saddle to cool and will result in sub-optimum molding results. Pro tip: wear casual, form-fitting shorts or pants when molding to get even better results. Without the padded chamois, there will be less to obstruct the imprinting of your sit bones. Continue riding for 15 minutes and move through different riding positions while the saddle cools. To optimize your saddle position, or if you are unsure where to start, we recommend working with a bike fitter. That's it, you're done. Your Reform saddle is now molded to you. Congratulations and enjoy the ride. If you are at all unsatisfied with your results, just plug the saddle back in for 5 minutes to allow the carbon to return to its original shape and start the process over again.